Work management is a key part of how Cartograph makes your day-to-day operations more productive. This could be whether you're in the field or back in the office. It all starts with the tasks. Tasks are the core component of the work management part of Cartograph. Tasks do a lot of things. One of the main things that tasks provide you is the way to track the resources that are being attributed to the work you're performing. This includes items such as labor, equipment, materials, and other costs. Tasks are also where we store all the history associated with that asset, so knowing what's been performed to that asset is all tied to the task. Lastly, tasks allow you to track and impact the condition of an asset. So the reason we do work is to maintain the life of an asset, and the tasks allow you to track the impact that that task has on the asset. Some of the examples of tasks that you can perform with Cartograph are things like installing a brand new sign, patching a pothole, performing tree trimming, flushing a hydrant, or inspecting playground equipment. Every organization really has two different types of tasks, both reactive and proactive. With Cartograph, you can easily manage both. Reactive tasks are things such as requests that might come in from citizens that you need to respond to and perform work against. Proactive, on the other hand, are things that you're planning for in the future that might be scheduled via a preventative maintenance plan or reoccurring work orders in the system. Cartograph can automate your task trading, like either inspection or work that needs to be done on an asset. Using these tools, crew leaders and supervisors can more effectively plan and schedule the work that's happening. There are three main ways to view your work in Cartograph. The first way to view, and one of the most efficient ways to visualize your data, is with the map. With the map, you'll be able to use things like the selection tools that allows you to round up and select and perform actions against those individual tasks. As well as with the map, you can use the map filter. This allows you to only visualize and see only the tasks that are in your current viewport. The calendar provides you a great way to be able to plan and schedule your work. With the calendar, you'll be able to easily see at a glance the work that's being recommended, who's assigned to it, as well as the priority. With having this information, it allows you to easily move and maybe change when work is being performed so you can balance your workload and perform the work most efficiently. The list view provides you a really great tool to be able to view all the data about a task within one spot. With the list, it allows you to easily sort and filter that data, which helps you make better decisions about the work that needs to happen. With Cartograph, you can easily create the work and assign who's going to be performing that work. This can be done either by a labor or a labor crews for assignments. Routes can also be used to optimize the order of the tasks that are performed to make sure you're doing the work in the most efficient manner possible. Work orders are a key component to tracking your projects in Cartograph. Work orders are truly just a combination of tasks that allow you to track progress of that work order, as well as all the costs that roll up to that overall project. Work orders can track things such as routine maintenance that you perform, such as mowing, or it can be used for special projects that you might have and you want to track the cost and progress on. If you have recurring tasks such as mowing or street sweeping, a work order can be created and those tasks automatically be generated for you. Now that the work has been scheduled and assigned, crews can now begin their work. With Cartograph, we always recommend ditch the paper. With the Cartograph mobile apps, they're really tailored to the user. So when performing work, you're only seeing the work and the data that you need to perform your job. The map is also a huge component of the mobile applications. Because you're out in the field, you need to be able to effectively find where the work is at and be able to navigate quickly to that. While performing your tasks, we know attachments are also a huge piece. So with the mobile apps, you'll be able to take a picture and attach that right directly to that task and easily track and record your time and resources. One of the core benefits of our mobile apps is providing real-time access to the data when you need it. So whether you're in the office and you're waiting for a response of when a job has been completed, or vice versa, you're in the field and you're actually getting all new tasks that are assigned to you. By having real-time access, this eliminates the need for double data entry, which improves your data integrity. Now that the work has been completed, the next step is to use that data to make better decisions. One of the tools that we provide at Cartegraph is our dashboard. So with your dashboard, you can easily create and view gadgets that might tell you things such as the average time to complete an activity, the total cost spent on a work order or activity, or what are the activities that we perform the most. With Cartegraph's Scenario Builder tool, you can use the work data to help hone in your asset maintenance plans that allows you to predict the future and know how much money is going to need to be spent to maintain your assets in the future. Plan better, work better, and budget and spend your money more efficiently. Work management is a core function of being a high-performance organization.